How many exercises within a workout? Well, there's a few things to consider. Firstly, how much time you have in the gym. If you have 30 minutes to train, you might be forced to use less exercises overall. You can utilize techniques such as drop sets, supersets, or circuit training to try and get most out of your short space of time. But ultimately, time is going to be a limiting factor for how many exercises you can do, especially if you're warming up and warming down during every workout. The goals are something to consider. Are you a bodybuilder trying to get as jacked as possible? Or are you a strongman trying to peak before a competition? Goals can affect exercise selection and how many exercises you use within a workout. The intensity of your workouts and sets are something to consider. If your workouts are higher in intensity, then you're likely to require less volume overall and possibly less exercises. For example, if you're a lifter who works to failure or close to failure, you aren't going to need lots of exercises within a workout to get muscle growth. Not going overboard on the volume can also help with recovery. The amount of equipment available to you is a consideration also. If you have a single dumbbell at home, you are limited with the fundamental movements that you can choose from. So instead, you might increase the sets of exercises that you can access and effectively progress on. Finally, we can look at training experience. A beginner requires less sets to progress when compared to an advanced trainee. This may mean that less or more exercises are needed based upon training experience. I can give a broad example of how many exercises to do on certain days. If you're doing a lower body day, you might use 4 to 6 exercises approximately. If you're doing an upper body day, you might use 5 to 8. You might need to use slightly more exercises on an upper body day when compared to a lower body, as there's a few more muscle groups that require direct attention. You have to keep in mind these aren't exclusive numbers. You could be a beginner within the gym and get great results from a less number of exercises. I hope this can help you decide how many exercises you might use within your workouts.